Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up, you checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. I'm out here with this little aircraft right here. This is the Qidi 570 Sci-Fi Sky. And so this is an E-Flight Convergence clone. It's small, quite small. I'm not sure if the Convergence makes I'm not sure if E-Flight makes one as small as this, but this is quite small. That's the transmitter right there. In Qidi fashion, this switch right here is backwards. It says vertical mode at the top. Vertical mode is really at the bottom, and everything is vice versa. And so I'm not going to spend too much time on talking about this thing. You're going to see the notes at the end, which pretty much lay out all the details and my findings and stuff so far on this little aircraft here. This is my 4th time trying to do a video on this craft, and I keep running into issues, so we're just going to jump right into the action. I have 2 of these as well. I have the orange version. They came separately. Let's get it in the air. So I've been having flight time issues with this quad. Well, this aircraft here. Let's try to get it in the air. Within 2 minutes of getting it in the air on a fully charged battery, those lights blinking underneath usually turn red. So, and that was on the previous one that I was flying. We're going into high rate because it's a little windy and it's having a little trouble. So it doesn't look like it's going to do that this time. So we're in the tilt motor mode. We're in the tilt motor mode. So check it out. Flies pretty decent. Now, you press this button. I'm going to switch it to, oops, I made a mistake and switched it too far down. Actually, let's go into the vertical mode. So it's in the vertical mode now. I usually go from vertical mode right to the plane mode. You do that with the press of a button and putting the switch to the middle position, because if you don't have the switch in the middle position, it won't be stabilized. So we're in stabilized flight now. Check it out. Wow. This one seems a little faster than the other one I had. I don't know why. And it seems to be holding out as far as the battery a little better. The other one was a battery hog. It was killing my battery. Wow, this one is really moving, y'all. I'll try to zoom in and all, so you guys can get a better view. I'm flying it pretty far away. No range issues whatsoever with this little plane. Oh, I misjudged it, went too far. And it's going down. Oh, let me hit both. You hit both of these shoulder buttons to stop the motors. Hopefully I didn't take too much damage. Sheesh, hard to believe that I wouldn't take that much damage going through all of those branches that it went through. Sheesh, my hands are frozen. It's cold out here, and I clipped the wing clean off it. See if we can get it back in the air on some tilt motor flight. Should be able to still do that, right? I tell you, my luck with these little aircraft haven't been the best lately. Let's see. Nope, it's not gonna fly right, y'all. Let me bring it down. Looks like I got some servo damage done. The servo's stuck. Let's see if I was able to fix it or not. It doesn't want to go up. Okay, yeah, it just won't. I can fly it sideways, but I just can't fly it frontwards. I think one of the servos are dead. Yeah, that servo on the left is stiff. So we're gonna do what we can do to get it back over here to some flat ground. Bring it down. Kilt busted the servo, y'all. So I got a busted servo on this left side that clipped the wing, so I'm guessing it had a hard impact on this left side that killed it. So we'll get it back in the air, but first I guess we're going to have to use my second one. I do have another one, so the next video will be with the orange one. For some reason, the orange one is a power hog. It really doesn't have a long flight time. This one seemed to be flying pretty well. So I guess it probably was just an issue with the other one that I had as far as the battery drain. This one didn't seem like it suffered from battery drain like the other one. I'll see you guys in the next video with the orange one.